Understanding Knowledge Process Outsourcing, KPO. Knowledge Process Outsourcing, KPO, refers to the strategic outsourcing of core, information-intensive business processes to external organizations or specialized individuals. Unlike traditional outsourcing focused primarily on repetitive tasks, KPO emphasizes expertise-driven functions which are pivotal for informed decision-making and strategic business advantages. What is KPO? At its core, KPO involves contracting work to highly qualified professionals, many of whom possess advanced degrees or specialized knowledge in fields such as finance, legal, medical, and technology. This process allows organizations to leverage external experts to enhance operational efficiency and overcome skill shortages within their in-house teams. KPO can be executed through a variety of arrangements. Tasks may be performed by a third-party service provider or by a subsidiary of the parent company, which may be located domestically or offshore. This flexibility allows organizations to tap into global talent pools, often at a lower cost than in-house hiring and training. Key takeaways. KPO contracts out knowledge-based work to subject matter experts. Organizations leverage KPO for specialized knowledge when internal expertise is lacking. The aim is to acquire skilled workers efficiently and cost-effectively. Differences between KPO and BPO. Understanding KPO further involves recognizing its relationship with business process outsourcing, BPO. While both practices involve outsourcing, they differ fundamentally. Business process outsourcing, BPO, focuses on outsourcing low-level operational and administrative tasks to cut costs. Knowledge process outsourcing, KPO, is more analytical and requires higher levels of education and expertise, often for strategic projects or specialized tasks that demand critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Types of KPO services. KPO spans various domains, including but not limited to financial consulting, analyzing financial data and advising on management strategies. Research and development, R&D, conducting advanced research for new products or services. Management consulting, providing expert advice on improving business operations. Technical analysis, assessing technology-related demands and solutions. Legal services, offering expertise in legal frameworks and compliance. Medical and healthcare services, supporting healthcare advancements and research. Data analysis and interpretation, generating insights from complex datasets. Why do companies choose KPO? Organizations opt for KPO primarily due to 1. Specialized expertise. When critical knowledge is not readily available in-house, KPO enables access to top-tier specialists without the burden of permanent hiring. 2. Cost-effectiveness. Offshore KPO services can reduce labor costs while maintaining quality, giving companies a competitive edge. 3. Focus on core activities. By outsourcing specialized tasks, companies can allocate more time and resources to their primary business operations. Example scenario. A manufacturing company may seek KPO services to enhance its production efficiency. By leveraging external experts to analyze processes and recommend improvements, the company can optimize its operations, reduce costs, and enhance overall productivity. Advantages of KPO. KPO offers several notable advantages, including cost reduction. Higher efficiency and lower operational costs can be achieved through specialized insights and data analysis. Access to talent. Companies gain access to a global pool of skilled professionals without the long-term commitment of permanent employment. Increased flexibility. Organizations can quickly scale teams up or down according to project demands, policy changes, or market conditions. Enhanced focus. Management can redirect their focus on core business strategies, bolstered by insights from KPO specialists. Disadvantages of KPO. Despite its benefits, KPO comes with potential drawbacks. Data security risks. Outsourcing sensitive information increases the risk of data breaches and intellectual property theft. Quality control issues. Organizations have less oversight over the hiring and training processes of third-party providers, potentially impacting the quality of work. Cultural and communication barriers. Differences in language, legal frameworks, and business practices may hinder effective collaboration. Employee morale risks. In-house employees may feel threatened by outsourcing decisions, potentially leading to decreased motivation and loyalty. Conclusion. Knowledge process outsourcing represents a strategic approach for companies seeking to enhance their operational efficiency, fill skill gaps, and access high-level expertise. While KPO offers numerous advantages, it is essential for organizations to weigh these benefits against potential risks. Proper management, clear communication, and robust security measures are vital components for successful KPO implementation. By understanding the nuances of KPO, businesses can make informed decisions that support their growth and competitiveness in an ever-evolving marketplace.